Hi, it's Jez from Nigezza Creates. Thank you for joining me today. So I've got a eBay haul here. These are things that I've bought over the last sort of month or so. You're going to see this probably a week after I filmed it. Yeah, I just thought I'd crack in and show you what I've got. Yeah, so those of you that have not watched me before, I recently lost my husband, I am trying to get my channel back to me crafting. I'm doing some haul videos right now because they're easy, but you may have seen some crafting since my last haul. I don't know, because I'm filming this in advance. So all from eBay. So I got this. It is, oh, these were the stamps that were on. It's great when you order from some of the vintage sellers, is they've got really old stamps, so that's really cool. So I'm going to stick that up there. But yeah, this was a pad of receipts, and I could see from the picture that we had some unused receipts here, and I knew there was some that was filled in on the other side, so I thought these were really cool, and lots and lots of different scribbles, and some of these aren't even filled in very much. 1957, that one's 58, so you know, not massively old, but you know, old enough. And then we've got all of these, and what's really nice, so they're the sort of receipt that fold down. I've got the bit of carbon paper there, so each receipt is like 2. I've got some plain on the back, so there's loads in here. And what I really liked as well was this sort of cover, and I thought, oh, I could maybe turn that into some sort of journal. It's like got this thing here, so you can take it out. So yeah, really like that. Thought it was cute. And again, on this side, the whole pad will come out. I'm not even going to attempt to open it right now, because that looks like it's quite solid. So yeah, couldn't resist that. What have I got here? Bunch of receipts here. This was a great job lot of receipts. Again, I think these are about the 50s, maybe the 40s. What have we got there? 1940 something, 1949. Just a load of receipts. Love receipts. They make great pages in journals, and then you've got sort of blank on the back for journaling on, or for popping in pockets. So they're really nice. So yeah, some of them are really thin. Some of them have got more than one thing on them. So yeah, I'm always looking out for these when I'm looking on eBay. Lots of people sell them. Sometimes you can buy now. Some of these I just went, yeah, I'll buy it now. So yeah, so I've now got a ridiculous amount of receipts, and I need to do a major sort out of my craft room. I've just had a friend come to stay, and I said I really need to sort my life out, and she said, sort my craft room out. And so she came up and she went, oh my God, Jez. She said, I couldn't work in it. And I went, I can. I said, if I don't see my stuff, they don't exist. So I like to see things, you know, maybe not all over the floor, but, you know, I need to see them on shelves. And she just went, you need Stacey Solomon in your life, Jez. You need to go on that programme, sort your life out. And I went, yeah. I said, but the thing is, I don't want to get rid of 50% of what I own at all. So no. But she would be helpful. Dilly would be helpful. She's good at organising, isn't she? But look, these just absolutely, and I can't wait to just make a a journal with just all original ephemera. I just, oh, yeah, I really, really can't wait. And so I've got all this stuff. And the thing is, as I make it, I'll remember that I bought these whilst I was with Ed, and it'll bring back, you know, some nice memories and some, you know, maybe some difficult ones as well. But you know, it's good, and I might shed a few tears at times, but you know, it's good to cry. So this 1867. Now I've got some of these things already that are like printed on parchment. I was expecting this to be much bigger than it actually is, but it's still very, very cool. So I will get round to scanning some of these as well. But that's pretty gorgeous. Pretty gorgeous, that. Did we get a date, Jess? Did we get a date for this? It's 18 something, but I'm not sure. Did it say on front? 1867. I might have already said that actually. It's Halloween, look, October the 31st. So yeah, that's gorgeous. What have we got in here? Don't know, but it's come out your slippy, Jess, whatever it was. Oh, this was, I ordered from the same seller. It had 3 separate listings. So sometimes you just messaged and went, can you combine the postage? So it was a little bit cheaper. But they were all about, each bundle was about £5. But then it had a couple of quid postage. But I, yeah, bought them combined. So this is just lovely. So great little page in a journal. You've got room to write, and it's just a nice bit of ephemera from the 40s. They're not filled in, but they're all dated 1904 something. And yeah, and they're all dirty, and that's just amazingly wonderful. That just adds to it, having all this dirt. Oh, did it go in that? Don't know, Jess. Don't look like that'll fit in that. Or if it did, I wasn't going to attempt to put it back. So that's them. And then there was these, the fuel ration book. So I've got, did I get 3 of them? Yeah, I've got 3 fuel ration books. And I remember seeing one of these once in an antique shop in Barnard Castle, the famous Barnard Castle where you drive to check if your eyesight's all right. Probably only people in the UK will get that reference. And there was an antique seller in there, and he wanted something like £7.50 for one of these, and I just went, no, I got these 3 for £5. So, you know, all of them together. So these are really, really good. I've got one of these already, and I've so they're really good if you just rip one out. It's just a nice little bit of ephemera, nice to make clusters with, and it's original. So yeah, they're great. I like the little subtle colours on them, and then you can even use the front and back cover for something. I just love them. And then there was this pile of airmail blueies. You know, you've probably seen these. So yeah, you write your letter and then you fold it all up, and then you've got these gummed edges. So you would lick that, fold it over, stick it down, and then you'd lick that, fold it over, stick it down. It's the fold lines there. So yeah, used to send these. I remember my brother-in-law was in the Falklands. You could, for the emergency services, you could get bluey, and it was already, the postage was already paid. So you would just write it and post it. I mean, postage is paid on this as well. So yeah, got loads of these, different designs, bit of Shakespeare, bit of Christmas. So yeah, thought just anything sort of papery, we love them, don't we? So I thought they were worth it to shove in. And because I thought, well, if I'm going to combine the postage, one of these was basically free. So that was worth it. And then I bought 2 different lots from the same seller of French magazines. Well, they're not magazines. Well, they are, but they're made of paper. They're not shiny. So these are from 1899. I got 2 of them, and they're Le Moniteur de Le Monde. I can't speak French. My accent's terrible. But anyway, there we go. But stunning. Absolutely beautiful. I showed these to my mother-in-law. She was staying with us. And she loves Paris. She loves French, anything French. And she used to teach French. So she was able to read some of this. But I can't really zoom out very much. So you can get a little bit of a sense. As you can see enough. We've got these beautiful illustrations. We have lovely adverts. So I do intend to do my research, and hopefully I can scan some of these. I mean, look at that. How gorgeous is that? Look. Because some of these are very big images. If I take that out, it's massive. So hopefully I can scan this, and then I can shrink it down and it will become something usable. I think it will go really well with my So Chic kit, which is like a French sort of sewing themed kit. So this is a bit more a sort of Paris fashion. So yeah, I think some of this will go really well in that. So I'm going to use some of it in its original format, and some of it hopefully I can scan. I think the magazine is no longer in publication, and it's certainly, with it being 126 years old, I think I should be all right with it. But you know, just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. These will make fabulous paper dolls. So yeah, couldn't resist when I saw these. It wasn't over cheap, it wasn't over expensive. These 2 magazines, I think I paid about £14. So yeah, I was very happy. I just look at it and I think, if I saw this in my favourite vintage charity shop and it had £7 on it, I'd have bought it. So that is kind of where I go. Look at lovely Singer Sewing Machine ad. And then the other one is very similar. Very similar. Also 1899. And all these lovely, look at that cloak. It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I think I said in my last haul video, it's like I immediately got lost in this when I started flicking through, and you just forget everything that's happening. So all the pain and the sadness that I'm feeling gets lost for a moment when I look at the beauty in these journals. And these, yeah, well, it's a journal, isn't it? This French journal. And I start immediately thinking how I could use these and make ephemera from it. So my mind is working creatively, and I'm not thinking of, you know, other things that make me sad. So yeah, look at that. That'd be great in a steampunk thing. So yeah. And then same seller. These arrived yesterday. Actually no, they came in the post today, Jez, didn't they? They did. Sunday I got a post. So another French magazine. These are from the 40s, 1948, 1948. Yeah, they're all 1948. So probably won't be able to scan any of these, but stunning, just beautiful. Image is quite big to use, so, but inside we've got these, you know, again, these would go really well with my French So Chic digital kit, so I could use these in that journal. Just stunning pictures. It is a bit of a shame that we've got two sides. If I wanted to cut them out and make paper dolls, I would have to make choices. But I think this one, there's a few on that side, so but they could just be a page in a journal as they are. And look, little kiddies as well, and lovely adverts. So yeah, so they're not many pages in these, but they're stunning. I think I paid £10 for all 3 of these. So again, if I'd saw these in my local shop and they had like £3.50 price ticket on each, I would have bought them. I maybe wouldn't have bought all 3, but hey ho. Now that's plain on the back, so I could cut these out and make little paper dolls out of some of them. I know they're overlapped a bit, but, and then they've got these really nice pictures on the back. And then this last one. So look at these little culottes. Really nice. I love the fashion. You know, I love all eras of fashion. It's just beautiful. Bit of underwear there, and then we're on the back page. So yeah, that is my haul for today, and hopefully now I'm sat here. I've been sat here for about 3 hours. This is my second haul video I've filmed. I feel a little bit more now like getting stuck in and getting crafting. I'm thinking about the project I'm going to do for Rachel and Bella Craft, 100 days of junk journaling ideas collaboration, and the first kit is like French love letters, and I think I could use some of the French stuff that I've got in that. And so I've now begun to sort of think about that. So I might start putting something together for that. So thank you very much for all your lovely kind messages that you've sent me at this difficult time. Really appreciate all of them. I haven't answered any, but I have done hearts on them. Yeah, it is really appreciated. It does really help. So thank you very much. And all the coffees and things that people have bought, and the support over on my Ko-fi and the purchasing of my kits, it really does help, and it is very appreciated. Thank you very much, and I will see you all again very soon.